Alright guys, so we're just done with here with this place, and this was an amazing place as you have seen. And we tried to do some kind of burnout in the water, but that really didn't work out. I'll put up the video, what I've got of Rudra. He has done it, and after that, the struggles of washing bike was, you know, it's pretty clean now. Yeah, it's pretty clean now. So we washed our bike over here itself, and now we are heading towards the destination. That view is really nice. Alright guys, so we reached at the destination and we have parked our bikes, and we are about to eat something. Okay, so we don't have any idlis or dosas over here. What we are going to eat now is this one. It's a bhel puri actually. Yeah. We have went ahead and we have ordered Congress masala also.
By listening to the name, it's attractive.
Yeah, and you can look at it. There's lots of masala.
How can we overcome what's standing in our way? Can we stand?
So that is where we have to go.
Pray our turn will come around. If we search for all the dreamers in the clouds, we'd be stunned by all the colors glowing brighter than you now. I found a way to seize the day with no weight upon my shoulders. You're telling me it's over now, but I can tell that it's just started. If there is a chance to
I guess about 200 meters upstairs. Guys, so you have to remove your shoes over there and keep it over there, and after that you can visit the temple if you want. And after that, what you have to do is you have to go further from here, but unfortunately this is closed now and we had no idea about it. I don't know what's written in Kannada exactly. I can read it out, but it'll take ages for me to translate and understand. But that is not good, and we are not going to trespass that. Alright, so as I said, we had to go a little bit further on that mountain top, but that couldn't happen because trespassing is prohibited. That's what the board says. And I have Rudra, as you know, and I have the Garib Rider. I want to know their experience.
Hi guys, actually I was little disappointed because this was like my plan or our plan which we did, and I wanted really these guys to climb up to the mountain top, which unfortunately is not possible now. Well, indeed it was a nice. Hope these guys enjoyed. I did.
Yes, we enjoyed the ride. It was really good ride, and the roads are butter smooth. The highway NH4
And those twisties.
yeah, and those hairpin bends, right?
Yeah.
Too good. And even this place is good. We enjoy. That doesn't matter. We did not go to that exact place, but yes, at the end of the day, the ride matters.
So there it is, guys. Rudra and the Garib Rider and me. The place is awesome. The only thing is, you cannot go on the top of the mountain. That's it, nothing else. But you have to visit here. Come. It's a peaceful place. So these are the twisters what we were talking about. You look at them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and
I am not disappointed.
8 and 9 and some around
That
10.
statement has to be changed now.
Alright guys, so we're done with this place and we're leaving. Our bikes are parked over there. So we're going to take our bikes and leave now, and if there's anything else that is interesting about this place, I'm going to update you. See ya. Okay, so the parking is only for two-wheelers. I don't know why this asshole car drivers are getting the car over here. But anyways, I guess police has got to do something about the four-wheeler parking now. Morning it was very cold, and at the moment it's really very hot. So we are going back now. We are heading towards home, Bangalore.
Just let me know.
Bengaluru, this way. So we are on the main road now. We are on the highway now, and that is how you have to go actually. Is this thing really working, or they just pedal it and go? Okay guys, so we have just witnessed that there was some accident. I don't know what happened exactly.
In a way, can we stand out from the crowd? Pray our turn will come around. If we search for all the dreamers.
I still have 30 kilometers left. So this is how you go to Kanakpura Road. I really don't like the fact that I have to pay the toll. Kanakpura Road. Kitna?
You're telling me it's over now, but I can tell that it's